Hey folks, we are back again with one more amazing video. Welcome to channel Be10x, where we unveil the magical effects of the AI industry each and every day. So let's dive into the Microsoft groundbreaking launch, which is Copilot Pro. This isn't just an update, it's a transformation of how we work together. And now let's explore that how Copilot Pro can be your ultimate work partner.
Managers, you need to listen to me very carefully. If you are someone who is required to manage people and get work done from people as part of your job, then if you integrate ChatGPT and AI tools for your team, then you are going to increase your team's productivity at least by 4x. This is proven by multiple case studies and multiple research papers in recent times.
Let's have a look at the highlights of the Copilot Pro features. So it is the latest marvel in AI technology, offering personalized GPT capabilities. You can imagine like building your own AI assistant tailored just for your professional needs. Whether it's crunching your numbers, drafting documents, or coding, it is your go-to AI companion. Now let's have a look at the visuals of PowerPoint interface with the AI features. So it can be considered just like transforming Word documents into captivating presentations, summarizing key points and crafting slides with just a single prompt. PowerPoint with Copilot Pro does it all. Enhance your presentations with improved text, layouts and animations, all with simple natural language commands. And guess what? It is now on your phone. Android and iOS users rejoice. The power of Copilot is at your fingertips. For iOS, use the Bing app for a seamless experience. Bing Chat has evolved into a Copilot, now available also on Edge, Chrome, Safari and also on your mobile phone. It's your personal AI for web browsing and more. Excel is now smarter, instantly create professional charts, apply formulas, and also visualize data trends, and perform what-if analyzers, all powered by the AI. For the coders, it is a game changer because you can enjoy more accurate calculations, efficient coding, and robust data analysis also. Microsoft is fine-tuning this feature based on user feedback. And the Microsoft Word now generates drafts, summarizes documents, and rewrites the text to match your desired tone. All of this with just a single prompt. And powered by GPT-4, Copilot Chat is a boon for software developers. You can now chat within your code editor for faster coding, error detection, and also the security checks. So you can now customize your AI with Copilot Studio and also build copilots that extend Microsoft 365's capabilities, which is tailored to your unique workflow. Let's have a look at the visuals of Teams with the AI features. Teams is now creating the meeting agendas, taking notes, suggestions, discussion points, and also providing the recaps of the entire meeting. All automated and all efficient. With Copilot Studio, you can also create AI helpers for the Microsoft 365. No coding experience is required. And in Loop, plan, brainstorm, and collaborate, you can do all these things effortlessly. Finally, The Microsoft Outlook transforms your email experience, and the draft effective emails, schedule follow-ups, and even translate the responses, all through the help of AI technology. Thank you for joining us in exploring Copilot Pro's revolutionary features. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Embrace the future of work with Copilot Pro and elevate your professional life today.